Hola, en este video les voy a mostrar cómo es que hago una rueda de cartón. Puede ser rueda o puede ser cuadro. Obviamente ustedes lo miden para que quede perfecto. Este yo lo corté nomás al puro tanteo. Como pueden ver, no está perfectamente cortado. Bueno. Okay, you guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a cardboard wheel. You mark a round circle in the middle and then mark about 1 inch wide each one of the lines. Looks like that. It's kind of, it's not exactly. So we do that, and after that you do this. Like that. Put something below, an old one, and then so you can push the knife all the way down like this. Then go around, 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 just like that. And then after that, check, and you can see right here it's a little bit of mark, and this mark is gonna help you when you have to turn around and cut into the other side a little bit. See, like that. So right here we do the same thing we're doing in the other side. It's like that. See, I'm sorry for the cardboard, I didn't have a clean one, so I'm using this one. It has some kind of spill in here, but anyway, the way you get your circle, you can make the circle as wide as you want it or as little as you want it. That is up to you. I'm going to use a knife. So we do this. See, like that. You can use a very, very sharp scissors or something. If not, you use a knife. Just be very careful with your fingers, okay? Make sure your fingers are far away from the knife. This kind of work is better if an adult do that. You know, it's not good for a child to do that, all right? It's very, very dangerous. And we do not want to cut ourselves. So it's better if the, I don't know, father or mother, cousin, do this. Grandpa, maybe, grandma, because, you know, little babies, you know, like 10, 12, I don't know, maybe 14, 15 years old could be careful enough, but younger than that is not good to let them do this kind of stuff, all right? Oopsie daisy. So, like I was saying, if you don't hold the wheel properly, it's gonna run away from you. So be careful when you make those cuts, all right? Then we turn this around and we do this. Make sure you get it into this side too. The reason is because when you put the yarn on it or whichever material you're gonna work with, sometimes it didn't get cut in this side, all right? That's the reason I do it like that. Just like that. Do the same thing in each one of the cuts. Like you see, it's not perfect brown, but I know you guys are going to make a perfect brown one. And to make the exact size of cuts, you know, each side, like this one, these sizes over here are very tiny, and this one very fat, if you can say that. So you can use a circle ruler or something to measure the cut exactly the same size. Okay, like that. So you got all these cuts on this side and all these cuts on this side. And then if you can see, let's say where to begin. It's right here. I cross this one like that. Now I'm going to begin to put in the strings from here all the way like that. So already count the strings that I'm going to use. So we make a big knot right here and then we put it down. And now I'm going to get all the strings into a place. I always begin from left to right. So from here this way, like that. The reason is because I always do that. like that. This wheel is supposed to have 40 cats. Like that. Put all the glue together. The way you organize your strings, that's up to you. I'm just showing you the way I think you can get a nice pattern. But if you have a better way to organize it, different colors, obviously, then you go ahead and use your way. And the colors that you like it, of course. So you have the pattern that you're gonna like it. I hope this one I'm gonna make you guys like it too. See, this is the reason I make sure the cuts are all the way in, because sometimes it's hard for the yarn to get in. Alright, so we continue doing this like that. When the wheel is new, it's kind of hard to get the yarn like that flat and stuff. Okay, we're going to try to put now a blue color right here. In this case, I'm going to use 2, and then I'm going to count that is 1, like this, because this yarn is very, very thin. And 2 of these is like the same size as 1 of these other ones. So that is the reason I do it like that. Alright, just like that. And then 1 of the blue, I'm going to put it right in the middle where the white is. Like that. I'm going to get 6 of them like that. I'm going to put these ones in the other side like this. I'm going to put one of the blue one right there, and then this one. And obviously you guys cut the yarn as long as you need it to. It's like that. Okay. See, like you guys see, we end up with 1 empty. So that is how I cut my cardboard to make a wheel. I just mark a circle and cut it. After that, I mark it like about 1/2 inch wide each one of the lines, and then I'll already show you guys how to cut it. Alrighty then,